Hello guys, today we're going to take a closer look at ZEEHO CF70 wireless charger for a car. This is a very nice piece. It's a high-speed charger, up to 15 watts. Has an open-closing mechanism, which closes when you put your phone inside it and opens when you press this little button on each side. You can adjust the height of your phone, so your camera lens and everything passes this top of the charger. Fantastic. It has a ball, which again connects to this excellent suction cup. This one is an aluminium piece which you can bend a lot of times, and it's very stiff. Will keep its shape when you release it. Excellent. There is also, see, it's a plate you can stick to your dashboard if you have a dashboard made from leather or something. This one is a 3M glue pad, which has an extremely strong glue. Put it on the dashboard and then you can mount this on the dashboard, or you can put it on the windscreen or something. Very nice. USBC cable. This is a high-speed cable, so it's important to use the one that is in the kit. USB, let me see, quick charge 3.0 and a PD output. 15-watt charger. Very nice, very nice. And then you have some warranty card. You have the manual, which is always nice to have. Yeah. Let's wire it up and see if it's really performed as it's supposed to. Okay, charger is wired up, and let's remove this sticker, shall we? There we go. This is very hard. I think it's glass or something, and it also has a nice cooling feature, which we should look at a little later. Putting the phone inside here, and clamps locks it. And I can see from the voltmeter that it's charging at 9 volt. And if you press one of the buttons, it opens. There we go. Fantastic, nice, huh? Here we have the voltmeter, ampermeter. I have to make a strange connection there because I don't have the right plug for this. So you can also see that there's a green light over here. This one will be blue when you insert the phone. Here we can see the ampere. No, we don't see so very well. Let's see if we can. There we have it. 9 volt charging, 1.34. I saw almost 2 amps earlier today when I was testing. So this is extremely fast charging. 15 watts. No problem. If you take a look at the suction cup, this is one of those suction cups which has glue on them. You can just wash this off with water and it will be like new again, but it is very sticky. So when you put it down on the table and closes the hatch, you will not be able to remove it. And even if you open, let's see, oops. If you try to open this one, it's still a pain in the ass to remove. And there we go. Oh, very good suction cup. It will not came loose very easily. Almost not at all. Very nice construction. And the suction cup is reusable. You just need to wash it. Because of the stickiness, it can draw some dust or something, but it sticks extremely well on almost every surface. Another thing is this ball joint. It's more or less a standard one. So you can use another thing from, let's say, AliExpress. This one is a tablet holder I have for the car, and yeah, long one. Put on the windscreen, and you can support this one on the dashboard. This ball joint also fits the ZEEHOO charger, which is a nice thing to know. Fantastic. That's a good thing. I like something that is more or less standardized. So the balls looks like this. Yep, I think it is. Let me show you this. I think it's a 70mm ball. Yep. Continue. 17mm ball. Which maybe it's a standard over in China, I don't know, but at least it fits. It's good to know. This bottom part is adjustable. It has two purposes, I think. One of them is that you can center the phone, but as this one has two charging rings, it's not that necessary. But it's another very important feature. The camera will touch here if you have it. Let me put it down in the bottom position. And on my phone, you can see that the camera is hitting the top of the charger. So I have to put me up a few notches. There we go again, and there it is almost clear. One more. And there it is. No touching of the camera. Very nice, eh? They have thought of everything, this ZEEHOO guys. Then we have a nice feature on the backside. Here there is a cooling fan, which also has a very nice RGB color. Let's see. Here you can see it, it's changing colors all the time. If I turn off the light, maybe it's better to see. Inside here there is also a cooling brick, which will keep the phone and the charging magnets or the circles cool all the time, so it will not overheat. That is nice to know, because when you have a 2 amp charging rate, which I can show you. Is it possible to see this, hopefully? Yes? 9 volt and close to 2 amps. 2 amp is heat. And if you look at the, okay, it's a little, what you see here. 16 watts, 1.16 amps from the 12 volt circuit. Amazingly nice. So that's why this is so important, to have this cooling feature, so the phone will not overheat. Not many charger has this one, so this is an excellent solution. And then again you have this nice color change. To release the phone, you only need to press one of the buttons, not both. So you can choose if you want to choose this one. It's opening, inserting it, and it's closing. And if you press the other one, it's opening, moving the phone, insert it, and the phone is very, it sticks good. Can't force it up, but it's very hard. This has also built in a super capacitor. That will say, if you are turning off the key and you forgot to take out your phone, you still have power to take this phone out. Because if you press this button, you still have power inside because of the super capacitor. Open. Closing. You can do this 2 to 3 times, the manual say, but I think I can do it at least 5, if not more. Oh no, it's going slower. Still working. Fantastic, eh? Oh, no, there is empty. Yep. I think that was 7 or 8 times. Amazingly nice. I also have this USBC to USBC cable from a company called Essager. Let's see if that one is working as well. And this one has an built-in watt meter, so we can see how its phone is performing. Charging here is okay. And let's see this one. I think it says 15 watt. Power delivery, 15 watt. This was the other one, which was the USB-A. Quick charge QC 3.0. Okay, that was the inside review of this ZEEHOO, what is it called again? ZEEHOO CF70 charger. You can see it here. I will now put this in my car, and of course this will be my new favorite charger. Before I have to connect the plug all the time, and this will be excellent together with the wireless Android Auto. And you just put it in the holder and see, still working. No power. You can open it at least 5 times, I think. Excellent. So yeah, I will provide links for everything down below, up in the corner maybe. So I say thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Nice.